All right, Kingsmill, welcome back. The sun is shining on a beautiful afternoon here at Kingsmill. It's been about 2 weeks since our last fitness center update. We're going to take you through here, show you what's been done the past couple of weeks, tell you what's coming up, and share a couple highlights with you. So we are standing in the new men's locker room. The new showers have been framed. The piping is up. They are ready to go. Looks pretty dang cool. We moved the showers into the same space as the sauna, steam room, and hot tub. So all new, one big area. Looks pretty dang cool. Rocking, ready to roll. And we're gonna walk back through. We're gonna go to the new yoga space, the new cardio floor, and then finish in the pool and the ladies' locker room. All right, so new yoga studio has been framed nicely. Windows are out, framed and ready to go. Beautiful scenery, colors on the leaves are just awesome. This is gonna be a gorgeous view. Still working on clearing the landscape and creating the patio in the back for outdoor activities. On the cardio main floor, all the routing has been cut up. Concrete has been cut up for the new electrical to come in, and that powers all the cardio equipment that's going to be laid. Window framing is cut out, ready to go, and then roof framing is up and ready to go. New HVAC. This looks great. All right, so here in the indoor pool, we still have to reroute some mechanical lines and then plaster. So the indoor pool is still about a week or two away, but it looks pretty dang impressive. New tiles, new swim tiles have gone on the bottom of the pool, the black racing stripes. The new numbers have gone on the outside of the pool, and all the old lighting, all the old mechanicals have been removed. So just routing the new mechanical lines, put some plaster down, and we are ready to roll. There will also be new lights coming in here in a little while as well. All right, we just walked through the new ladies' locker room, which has all been reframed and expanded. We walked through the ladies' showers, and then we're back here in the ladies' hot tub, sauna, and steam room. Place looks great, ready to go. Next up, kind of start building some walls, put in more electrical in. If you haven't seen, Pelham, myself, and Stan are doing live hard hat tours every Wednesday and Saturday. Please RSVP through the member website. Come on out and get a live look for yourself. I think you'll be pretty dang impressed. Excited to keep this project going, and we'll see you in 2 more weeks. Thanks, Kingsmill.